Okay, so hello friends, today our topic is the bacterial growth curve. So we'll see the growth curve. So here you can see the growth curve. Okay, so this is the time, this axis is time, and this is the number of cells. So now see the significance of the curve. So this is the lag phase. So in lag phase, the collection of nutrients occurs. So as a result, increase in size of the bacteria due to accumulation of enzymes and metabolites. Next is log phase. This is the exponential phase. So bacteria divides exponentially. Okay. Next is stationary phase. So here, due to exhaustion of nutrients, accumulation of toxic products and enzymes decrease the rate of dividing. So here, number of viable cells is equal to number of cells die. Okay, but when it is the stationary phase continues, then it stop dividing, which is decline phase. So here, number of cells die greater than the number of viable cells, or you can say the number of viable cells gets decreased. Okay, you can also say this. Now solve all the question, then you will able to complete understand the graph. So first is bacterial cell size is maximum at the, here you can see. So here the bacterial cell size start to increase. Okay, so at the here this point, so this point the bacterial cell size is maximum. So that we will say that end of the lag phase. Okay, or before enter into the log phase. Now metabolic activity is maximum at, so metabolic activity, that is here log phase. Okay, metabolic activity is in the log phase. Now antibiotic most effective. So here you can see metabolic activity is maximum, so antibiotic will be effective here, metabolic activity. So answer will be log phase. They will stop the metabolic activity, antibiotic will stop the metabolic activity. Next is sporulation begins in stationary phase. Okay, next is maximum amount of endotoxin released. So endotoxin, what is endotoxin? So you can say that there is a bacteria, endotoxin is present inside the bacteria. So after the death of the bacteria, the cell lies like that, it completely become a endotoxin. So where the death occurs of bacteria, now see in the graph. So maximum endotoxin released in phase of decline here, because here the most death of the bacteria occurs and all of those bacteria becomes endotoxin. So write down the answer. Here it is, phase of decline. Okay, next is endotoxin production begins in, endotoxin production begins where the death start to occur. So from here the death starts to occur. So stationary phase. Okay, so production is stationary phase. Next is maximum amount of exotoxin produced. So exotoxin, you know, LPS, lipopolysaccharide is a exotoxin. So where it will be produced, where the metabolic activity is most. So answer will be log phase. Capsule is formed, also metabolic activity need. So answer will be log phase. So that's it for the bacterial growth curve. So guys, if you like this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe my channel.